Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we visit Ravenscar, go down to the beach to see the seals, and then take a short walk in the village. The weather is very bad today, there is a strong, gusty wind, so we will have some adventure. Keep watching us, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Ravenhall Road has plenty of roadside parking space and a public toilet. Ravenscar is a seaside village in North Yorkshire, England, near Scarborough. The famous national trail, the 110-mile Cleveland Way, passes through the village, which is also the eastern terminus of the Lyke Wake Walk. The Romans once used this part of the Yorkshire coast as a signal station. But the village is most popular for its beach, where you can often spot the seals lounging around on the rocky beach or swimming in the water. At the end of the road is the National Trust Visitor Center, which also has a cafe, but is only open on weekends during the winter months. At the turn of the 19th and 20th centuries, attempts were made to develop the village into a resort, to rival nearby Scarborough and Whitby. At that time, roads, sewers, and some houses were built, but the road to the beach is quite long. Because of this, the village never became popular and the development remained unfinished. But walkers, nature lovers, and fossil hunters are still welcome here. Here is the entrance to the Ravenhall Hotel, which was once the home of King George III's physician, Dr. Francis Willis, and it is rumored that the king may have stayed there during his treatments. Today it operates as a hotel. Ravenscar was known as the Peak until 1897, which was a hotbed of industry at the time. It was home to one of the earliest chemical works in Britain, producing alum, which was used for dyeing and tanning. The remains of the buildings can still be seen near the village, but due to the bad weather we will skip this for now. The path to the beach is a bit steep and slippery, but the reward for the walk is a wonderful secluded beach where, if you're lucky, you can see seals, but it's also a good place to search for fossils. However, the beach is only accessible at low tide. At high tide the water comes out all the way to the foot of the rocks. From the coast there is a nice view of Robin Hood Bay. The best chance to observe seals is from 1 hour before low tide to 1 hour after low tide. Common seals give birth in June and July, gray seals in November, so you can often see seal pups in these months. It is not advisable to go close to them. On the one hand, they can be dangerous, and on the other hand, they chose this quiet place for a reason, so let's not disturb their rest. You can observe them safely and relatively close from the rocks above the beach. If there are pups, do not go closer than 50 meters, because observing pups too closely can discourage adult seals from returning to their baby, and they may even abandon them if they are frightened away. And don't bring dogs near them under any circumstances. In fact, it's best if you don't take a dog with you on this adventure at all. At first glance, this wall may look like a castle wall or a city wall, but it is only the fence of the Ravenhall Hotel. The village consists of only a few streets and a few houses, but it has a cafe, which luckily is open. If you enjoyed the video, click the thumbs up, and we'd love to read your opinion, be it negative or positive. We hope you had fun. Have a nice day and thank you for your attention.